Hey guys, and nice to see you guys. I haven't made a movie or video in a long time. Actually, it's been a really long time. I kind of gave up on the YouTube thing, but I just came across something really cool that I think that I really need to share with you guys, and that's a way to make money. And I've been, trying to find ways to make money online, and I've been digging into the crypto world a little bit and trying to figure things out. And I came across this thing called Bankroll. And Bankroll is really cool, and I just kind of got into it. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about Bankroll, but this is not gonna be a big how-to video. I'm gonna make a how-to video in the future, but I just want to show you Bankroll for now, what I've gotten into, and actually I'll show you how much I've made. And I actually dropped about 500 bucks USD right now into Bankroll, and sorry. And yeah, so I kind of this website's really cool. I don't think it's a Ponzi scheme at all. I kind of did a little bit of my research, and it's got its own dollar. It's got the Bankroll dollar, Bankroll X. It's kind of a little bit complicated. So in another video that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna go step by step into how to get this all going for somebody that has no idea what to do. But today I'm just gonna show you a little bit around the website. So here we go. This is the Bankroll site, and right now this is what it looks like, and it actually changes quite a bit. So it's a little bit hard to keep up with, but so far, like I said, I'm just starting. This is day one. I'm gonna make videos every day until for the next 30 days, and just show you my progress and show you how much I'm making on Bankroll. So far I've dropped 500 bucks into Bankroll. This is what it looks like. This is where you'd go to swap your banker right here, Banker X. No, sorry. And like I said, I'm still new at this website a little bit. So swap X right here. This is where you turn your Tron, your TRX coins into Banker X coins, and that's where you use your Banker X coins on this program. But you need to turn it from Tron coins into Banker X coins, and that's how you take the money out of here or whatever too. You turn your Banker X coins into Tron coins, and then you send your Tron coins into a wallet. So if you don't understand any of this, that's all right. I'll make another video about this. I just kind of wanted to show you around a little bit. Yeah, this is video one. So right now, you would swap your coins here, and then you can go here. But we'll show you the flow part of the website. This is where I have a little bit. I have my $500 right here, locked in here. And actually, when you put money into Flow, the money that you put into it is locked in there forever. So I cannot get this money back ever. What I can get back is the interest. And right now, so far today, this just started a few hours ago, I've gotten 35 cents interest back. But I could use this interest and roll it, because there's a roll button here. I can roll this interest back into this that my deposits here, so I can put more money into the deposits, and then I would get more interest. So the more interest that I get, the more money I put in, the more interest that I get, and eventually when I get enough interest off enough money that I've put in, I can start claiming some of it and taking some of it out, taking some of it back into TRX or into Banker X, taking some of it back into Banker X, and then going to trade the Banker X for TRX. So right now, because of how much I've put in almost $500. This is the max Banker X that I can get out of this program right now. This program's got a 365% APY. So it's got a crazy APY. So it's really cool. I really think that you people should, if you want to make some money off crypto, you should get into this while it's working right now. You should you should really look into it anyways. Maybe just start off with $100. Don't put in 500 like I did. But just starting with $100 and just earn a little bit, and then just return the money that you earn back into the program, and just keep compounding your money like that until you just get lots of interest. And that's what I'm planning on doing. So this is day one again. So this is the flow program. So when you put money into flow, it's gone forever, except for the interest. This is the stronghold program, which is a different type of program, and I actually bought a little bit of stronghold coin. With my TRX, I bought $16 worth of stronghold coin just for fun, just to see what happens, and just to see what kind of return I get on here. So it looks like so far I've gotten 0.008 cents of a USD, but I actually just put this $16 in here today. It's got a 227% APY. All right. So to sign up to all this, you need a buddy code. So I have a buddy code that I can give you. It's going to be in the link below. You need that to actually get on this program. Without the buddy code, you just can't register to the program. So make sure you got the buddy code below to register to the program. So, and then there's Stronghold, and there's also Stockpile, which is another type of program that you can put your TRX into. And I actually put in just $1 in here as well, just for fun. And this one's got 181 APY, and it's got a drip. I'm not sure what that means yet. But I put in a little money into every one of them just to figure out what they do exactly, every one of them, and which one will be most profitable. But I think that if we can get into this flow program together as a team, because this has it works with a team as well, with people that sign up underneath me or whatever. So if I get people to sign up, and I get enough people or enough money, then I can start doing airdrops to people that are teammates with me, that have registered underneath me, and I can start dropping them money that I've earned, or Banker X that I've earned. So yeah, so far, as you can see, this Banker X has gone up from what I've earned. I've now earned 37 cents so far today. Just in the time that I've been talking here, the money has gone up. So if I wanted to right now, I could claim this 37 cents out, and it would come back as Banker X, and then I could go and I can turn the Banker X into TRX, and then I could do whatever I want with the TRX after. So again, this is not my full tutorial on how to do all this. I'm just kind of going over the site a little bit. That's pretty much it, really. There's more swap, and then you can exchange more crypto here, but none of this is valuable to me right now anyway. So what I'm really interested in is the flow program, and maybe the stronghold program once I get enough TRX out of the flow program here. So yes, again, my Baker X amount has gone up in just the last 2 seconds that we've been talking, and so I'm gonna get a bunch of TRX or Banker X here, and when I get a bunch, maybe tomorrow morning, I will come and I will hit this roll button, and it will put the TRX or the Banker X that I've earned back into my deposits, which will be locked forever, but then I will be earning a bigger interest. And this is how hopefully over time I will be earning enough interest that I can just start claiming some of it out. So that's the whole ideal of this program. I hope that you guys can get into this with me. If you got questions, just leave your questions below. I'll answer any questions that you have. But I'm just new at this. This is day one, so I'm just really kind of learning. I will be making a video every day about this, so you guys can follow along with the progress and see how much I'm making more every day, and if this is working or not. And if you want to get into this, make sure you use my buddy code below, so we can get into this together, and we can be teammates, and hopefully we can make some money here, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching.